An internship provides a great opportunity for your career. You're working alongside professionals and gaining experience to help you accelerate your career. It can also provide a confidence boost by helping you step out of your comfort zone. But you may be wondering, how can you make the most of this opportunity and stand out? My name is Serena and I am a career coach at CareerUp, where we have helped thousands of aspiring candidates like you launch their careers. In this video, I'll show you how to exceed your manager's expectations, stay productive even when working remotely, and review modern workplace etiquette. When we're done, you'll be ready to ace your internship experience. Let's get started. Let's start by looking at the top ways you can be an awesome intern and exceed expectations. Do your work and do it well. It's pretty obvious, but going above and beyond will get you noticed. It will show your value and you'll gain insight into other aspects of the business. Look for the gaps that they are currently facing. Implementing ways and strategies that lessen the workload and allow for more productivity will make you a valuable part of the team. Your fresh eye may lead to changes that make a big impact. Do not underestimate this. Defining expectations. A big part of being successful during your internship is being clear on expectations and being intentional about personal goals. All internships are different, but it is up to you to ensure that you have a clear understanding of the expectations. Set up a meeting with your manager at the beginning of your placement and map out what success looks like at their company, such as how will you communicate with the team? How often? Which platforms will you use? What are the expectations for your work hours? How will they evaluate success at the end of the internship? Setting your own personal goals ahead of the internship will also make sure that you gain the experience and skills you need for your future career. For example, if you want to improve your public speaking skills, you can set a goal to present what you've been working on in weekly meetings. In a virtual internship, you may have more freedom over the hours of your internship, but we still suggest implementing a schedule to help you stick to a routine. Connect. An internship provides an opportunity to work alongside professionals in your desired career. You will want to make the most of this and connect with your team members when you can. Schedule a lunch date or request an informational interview where you can ask a team member about their role or any tips they have about working in the industry. Even if you are in a virtual internship, you can request to meet with your team members via a video conference call. Working remotely can mean that there is a lot of distractions, and so these tips will help you stay productive even during a remote internship. 1. Separate personal and work life. 2. Organize your desk. 3. Make it a habit to turn off all social media during your work hours. 4. Change things up from time to time. 5. Eat healthy, stay hydrated. And 6. Practice self-care. The foundation of all workplace etiquette can be traced back to the golden rule: treat others how you want to be treated. Generally, workers who dress well, have integrity, and are calm, cool, and collected are considered great colleagues. There really is no excuse for being unprofessional, even at your first job or internship. Always be on time, be courteous, and work hard. There are many ways to show professionalism, but it is important that you act professionally in emails, meeting, and any daily communications with your team. Be prepared to work the agreed upon number of hours. Arrive on time and do not end your shift without permission. If you're going to be absent or late, notify your supervisor as soon as possible. Even if you've left a message, make sure to contact the company until you speak to someone directly about your situation. Pay careful attention to all forms of communication. Answer emails with full sentences and proofread messages before they are sent. Use professional language when speaking on the phone. Ensure that you are on time for all meetings and calls. Internships are more important than ever. In fact, studies have shown that internships are the #1 thing that hiring managers are looking for when hiring college graduates. That means that your internship experience is more important than your GPA or the reputation of your university. Completing a successful internship can be all that stands between you and your dream career. I hope you found these tips useful for your internship. Until next time.